What do you reckon, man? Give it a go on R-Spec.
Yeah, it's sick. Is R-Spec the quick one?
Yeah, just lean forward because it's got heaps of kick.
That's not even like...
Hey Jace.
Yeah, man.
Where are we going?
We're going to a World Championship surfing competition at Snapper Rocks. It's nice day out, and hopefully there's some babes and some dudes that want to ride the Raptor 2 because we've brought them as well, and we're going to do some demo runs and soak up a bit of sun and fun. Sound good?
Yeah, sweet. Jason thinks he knows what this area is like, even though he's never been here before. So, take us on a tour, Jason.
There's the famous Whale Auto Wash car wash. Best car washes you can get in the area. Tweed Heads, y'all. It's a famous Tweed Heads overpass. Oh yeah! So we've just pulled up. Free parking today, which is awesome, and look where we are. Right at the beach, getting some shots of the surfers. See if anyone wants to have a go. Look.
So how do you work it?
So forward is forward, and then back is brake, if you want.
So when you go forward...
Yeah, you watch my foot, I'll stop it, but...
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then how do you stop it? This way?
Pull back, yeah, pull back, and that's a full brake. But just when you get ready to go, it's got a bit of power, so it's gonna want to kick up a bit, so get a bit of weight forward. Yeah, just go nice and slow, you'll be right.
Anyway, I'm gonna want to get one.
Everyone says that.
And you know, when we think about the expectations that you came into this event with, third place finish, is that
nice,
kind of what you're looking at as your goal?
When you go like that, it starts to off. But just go right forward, and then that's how you stop. So it stops on
That's it.
That just answers that question.
And if you want to stop, pull back.
Been here before. She's in that first tape class. How do you take housing?
That's it. Wait, what did you think of that, man?
That was amazing.
Yeah?
It was cool.
Awesome.
Hey man, you want to have a go at this one? It's just on slow mode at the moment.
This guy knows what he's doing.
Lighter weight than the thick daddy. The big daddy's a weapon.
What do you reckon, man? Give it a go on R-Spec.
Yeah, it's sick. Is R-Spec the quick one?
Yeah, just lean forward because it's got heaps of kick.
That's not even like... So good.
Yeah, man.
So quick now, huh?
It fully kicks.
Yeah. Those lithium batteries, huh?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Super light.
Yeah, exactly. Slim, light,
Yeah.
and just goes for like a while.
Yeah. How far do you get out of this one?
Up to 40 kilometer range.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Have to get one.
Yeah, bro.
Good.
Look it up, Enertion.
Yeah, I've had a few, so...
Yeah? What have you had? The Big Daddy?
Mainly the Peak, and then I had another, like, another one of those, like, Evolve ones.
Yeah, there's heaps of them getting around here.
Yeah, just because they're, like, the cheaper option around here.
Yeah, and you can go into shops and get them.
Yeah.
So people just default to that, where this, people don't know about it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It hasn't got the chain or any kind of mechanism pushing it. It's inbuilt in the wheel.
Yeah, and it's a sealed motor, so stuff's not getting inside the motor.
Because a couple of my mates have had like stuff get up in the van.
Yeah.
So I see that. Right?
Catch it, brother.
Right, yeah, boy.
Slow. But you can wear a helmet if you want to.
No, I don't want a helmet.
It's good for safety. It's pretty easy to, you want to go? We can start up there and you can sort of let it gradually roll you down the hill if you want.
Okay, maybe.
Let's do it.
Yeah, what's your name?
Jade.
Jade?
Yeah.
Okay, start here. Have you ridden a skateboard before?
I'm not very good. I'm good in a surfboard, but not in...
I'll point you the right way then. But anyway, it's really good because it's got a brake. So you pull back. Ah, stand on that. So forward takes you forward and back is a brake.
It stops like very quickly or no?
If you're going fast, it stops quicker. If you're going slow, it stops slower. But just gradually push forward. Gradually, like not that quick. Hold here. And then, there we go. There we go. Just keep your finger on it. Nice and gradual. And then pull back to brake. But you should be right, you just have to lean in hard. Ah, got it. And then pull back to stop. Okay. And it's on slow mode, so it's not too aggressive or anything.
Yeah, that's pretty fun, hey?
Too easy, huh?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, maybe I'm getting one. Are you selling?
Oh, that's sick.
Loving it?
Yep. That's
Easy to learn or what?
it. It's so easy. Just
Cool,
hop
man.
on it.
So-
they go real quick. They go real quick.
How is it?
They go pretty quick. Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah?
So you explain.
It doesn't just go.
You explain it to him.
So, just this one up, this one to go. Well, this one's just the brake. So, if you go on too fast, and it doesn't just go. It doesn't stop just immediately. It's like,
It's gradual.
yeah. So it's better.
Weight down. Have you ridden electric before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not as fast as that.
Yeah, that one's one of the fastest in the world, basically. It's a bit heavy, huh?
Yeah.
It's 10 kilos.
Pretty scary.
Yeah.
Raptor.
Raptor, yeah, that's it.
Thanks,
that's
bro.
it. No worries, dude. Yeah, it's not cheap. Steep hills easily, like that hill up there flies up it.
Oh, the brushes.
Yeah, in the hub motor. This is the fastest production electric skateboard in the world. Oh, that one. They're still in production. You'll be able to buy it on their website and we ship all over the world. Okay, what do you reckon, guys? Good? Yeah. Nice. We have
Designed to be stable at high speed, but that also means they're actually pretty stable for beginners as well.
Keen to get some vegan delights.
That was awesome.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, man.
Okay, lunch down.
Little boaty things.
Here we are at the break wall.
Sorry, brother.
That's okay.
I am just curious how that works.
Oh, it's like hub motors in the
It's got an engine,
electric motors.
and you work with that.
No, this is my camera. I work with this.
You work with that one.
Yeah, yeah.
You know how much that cost?
About $2,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus, looks cool. And that camera?
Oh, the camera's maybe like 3,000.
So that's 2,000, 5,000.
Yeah.
You must have a rich father.
No.
Nice meeting you.
This is just
you
my
work,
job. This is
you
my
work
job.
hard. That's all right. No, I'm having a go at you.
Yeah, I know.
You know, you look
Sorry.
cool. You look cool.
Thank you. I didn't mean to nearly hit your dog.
No, don't worry about the dog. No, she's a bitch. She's got a Spanish name.
Okay.
Bruta puta. You know what that means?
No.
Ugly bitch.
Oh.
Come here, bruta puta. No.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you to spend the time with me.
See you later.
Take care.
Good surface paradise. Love the beach.
Nice, right?
Yeah, very nice. Very nice, bro.
Yeah.
Stand on it and hold my arm like it's a bar. Okay, so that's your balance, right? Now, as it starts moving forward, I've got the wheel. Now, as you press forward, I'll do it for now, it's going to start moving forward. And as you pull back, it stops. That's it, really gently. And to steer, you use your feet. Nice work. It's easy, right? And then, have you ever skateboarded before?
No.
Really?
It's my first time. And it's very
Very good balancing.
Nice and slow. So, just finished up at Snapper Rocks, and we got some cool people to try the boards, so that's nice. Yeah, it's been a good day. See you next time.